An 88-year-old gentleman who previously had difficulty simply getting up from his chair now takes energetic walks through the park every single morning. This incredible change happened in just 10 weeks by switching the type of protein he consumed. What's remarkable is that he avoided eggs, the food everyone believes is perfect for muscle building. Instead, he discovered 6 unique proteins that research proves are more effective than eggs for restoring muscle strength after turning 70. When his medical results returned, they were nearly impossible to believe. His muscle construction rate had increased to almost match someone 25 years his junior. Before we begin, tap that like button if losing muscle strength concerns you with aging. Hit subscribe for additional health advice and pass this along to someone who could benefit from this knowledge. Share in the comments what protein source you currently depend on most and your current age. I check every comment and enjoy connecting with you. Now, let's explore these muscle-strengthening foods that might transform your health. The reality about protein. After 70, what you're going to discover might totally transform your understanding of protein. The trick isn't consuming more protein, but selecting the correct type. These 6 proteins contain special elements that eggs lack completely. They don't simply prevent muscle decline. They genuinely make muscles tougher and more capable of resisting aging. Once you reach 70, your body becomes more selective about which proteins it can utilize effectively. The proteins that functioned perfectly during your younger years may not trigger the same response anymore. This isn't because your system is failing. It simply requires superior nutrition to activate the muscle-building mechanisms that naturally decrease with advancing age. Number 6. Lentils, the affordable champion most people ignore. When seniors consider protein, they imagine steak, chicken, or eggs. Plant-based proteins like lentils get overlooked because folks believe they're insufficient for muscle development. However, lentils demonstrate this assumption is completely false. For merely 50 cents per prepared cup, you receive 18 grams of quality protein. And that's only the start of what makes lentils extraordinary for developing muscle past 70. What makes lentils remarkable is everything additional that accompanies the protein. 1 cup contains 16 grams of fiber that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria produce a substance called butyrate that decreases muscle inflammation, enhances your body's sugar processing, and assists protein utilization. Researchers term this the gut-muscle relationship, and research demonstrates a healthy digestive system can increase muscle development by 30%. Lentils also contain folate. 1 portion provides 90% of your daily requirement. Nearly 1 in 3 seniors lack sufficient folate, and folate deficiency slows muscle construction at the genetic level. They also supply iron that assists oxygen transport to muscles and potassium that stops muscle cramps. Red lentils prepare in only 10 minutes and become tender, ideal for individuals with chewing difficulties. Number 5. Hemp seeds, the protein your body knows. Most seniors believe they require meat or eggs to maintain strength, but hemp seeds present a different reality. Just 3 tablespoons, costing less than your daily coffee, provide 10 grams of complete protein. What's incredible is your body instantly recognizes this protein. Hemp seeds have a protein called edestin that's nearly identical to proteins in human plasma, allowing easy absorption. Hemp seeds also contain the ideal balance of beneficial fats, omega-6 to omega-3 in a 3-to-1 proportion. This balance decreases inflammation and nourishes muscles. They also hold a unique fat called GLA that directly soothes muscle inflammation. Research shows this can reduce muscle pain after activity by 40% in seniors. Hemp seeds are filled with arginine, an amino acid that widens blood vessels and enhances circulation to muscles. By 70, blood flow naturally decreases, making recovery more challenging. Arginine not only improves circulation but also stimulates growth hormone release, which declines by 50% between 40 and 70 years old. They're also rich in magnesium, something 80% of seniors don't consume enough of. You can add them to anything or consume them directly. They taste like gentle sunflower seeds. Number 4. Wild salmon, the muscle recovery specialist. Wild salmon provides something eggs cannot offer, the ability to fix muscle damage at the cellular level. Each portion contains approximately 22 grams of excellent protein, but the true power comes from omega-3 fats named EPA and DHA. These function like lubricant in your aging muscle fibers. As you age, inflammation attacks muscle tissue like corrosion. Eggs provide construction materials, but cannot prevent this damage. Omega-3. A significant study discovered that seniors who consumed the equivalent omega-3s of eating salmon 3 times weekly gained 6% more muscle without additional exercise or dietary changes. Even more impressive, their muscles became more responsive to all proteins, meaning their bodies utilized protein far more effectively than previously. Wild salmon also contains abundant vitamin D, approximately 1,000 units per serving, something eggs rarely provide. Vitamin D doesn't only help bones use calcium, it directly instructs muscle cells to construct protein. Research shows correcting vitamin D deficiency in seniors can boost muscle strength by 20%. The pink coloring comes from astaxanthin, an antioxidant 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C that shields muscle cells and can enhance endurance by 40% in older adults. Number 3. Whey protein, the quick route to muscle development. If there's one protein powder that can help someone in their 90s develop muscle quicker than a 60-year-old consuming eggs, it's whey protein. Researchers compared whey to eggs in individuals over 75. The whey participants developed twice the muscle as the egg group, and it wasn't due to consuming more protein. It was because of how whey functions in your system. During youth, your muscles continue utilizing protein for hours after eating. But past 70, that opportunity becomes much briefer. To genuinely develop muscle, your system needs amino acids rapidly. Whey provides them in approximately 1 hour, while eggs require 3-4 hours. By that time, your muscles have lost their opportunity. The key component in whey is leucine, the amino acid that activates muscle development. Eggs contain 1.3 grams, but whey provides 2.5 grams. After 70, you need roughly 3 grams simultaneously to stimulate your muscles. Whey also contains elements that reduce gut inflammation, which frequently prevents protein absorption in seniors. Another component of whey helps manage appetite and improves your cell's insulin usage, so more protein reaches muscles rather than being stored as fat. Combine whey with cold liquid and consume within 30 minutes of preparation for optimal results. Number 2. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle protector. If whey protein provides your muscles a rapid boost in 1 hour, cottage cheese operates oppositely, gradually nourishing muscles throughout the night. During sleep, your body frequently breaks down muscle for energy. In seniors, this occurs more rapidly, explaining why many individuals progressively feel weaker over time. Cottage cheese contains casein protein that digests slowly, creating a gel in your stomach that releases amino acids for 6-8 hours. Research found that when seniors consumed cottage cheese before sleep, their bodies continued producing new muscle protein during rest. It's like activating an anti-muscle loss mechanism while you recover. Casein also contains elements that moderately reduce blood pressure and promote deeper sleep. Better sleep produces more growth hormone, your body's natural healing signal. 1 cup of cottage cheese provides 90% of your selenium requirements, a mineral many seniors lack. Low selenium causes fatigue and muscle weakness. It also supplies calcium for bones and muscle function, vitamin B12 for protein usage, and phosphorus for muscle energy. It's soft, easily digestible, and requires no preparation. Many individuals create bedtime snacks by adding nuts or seeds. Number 1. Seitan, the plant protein that matches steak. The final protein has an unexpected name but remarkable muscle-building strength. Seitan, created from wheat gluten, is loaded with protein. Just 100 grams provides an impressive 39 grams of protein equal to premium beef cuts. The distinction is you obtain all that protein without heavy fats, digestive issues, or inflammation that red meat can trigger. What makes seitan excellent for seniors is its digestibility. When wheat transforms into seitan, most starch and fiber disappear, leaving concentrated protein your body processes quickly. This matters since digestion slows with age. A 2022 research showed that seniors consuming plant proteins like seitan maintained 21% more muscle than those following standard diets. Seitan is naturally low in fat and carbohydrates, making it excellent for controlling diabetes, cholesterol, or weight. You receive muscle-building advantages without blood sugar increases or additional calories. It's also extremely adaptable. You can slice it for stir-fries, grill it, or roast it like meat. For additional benefits, consume it with vitamin C foods like bell peppers or broccoli, which help your body process the iron in seitan more effectively. Why these outperform eggs? These 6 foods demonstrate that muscle decline after 70 isn't inevitable. Each addresses different obstacles that make muscle building more difficult with age. Lentils enhance gut health that improves protein utilization. Hemp seeds offer ideal amino acids with anti-inflammatory fats. Wild salmon repairs muscle cells. Whey protein overcomes age-related protein resistance. Cottage cheese nourishes muscles overnight. Seitan provides concentrated protein without inflammatory reactions. The secret is selecting proteins that cooperate with your aging body, not work against it. While eggs have their benefits, these 6 alternatives provide more strategies to remain strong, independent, and active for years ahead. Begin with whichever appeals to you most. Then slowly incorporate others as you learn what suits your lifestyle best. What these 6 proteins demonstrate is straightforward. Muscle decline after 70 isn't inevitable. With proper food selections, your body can still heal, rebuild, and maintain strength. Just like that 88-year-old gentleman who progressed from struggling to stand to walking the park daily. The solution lies in everyday foods available to everyone. When you consume these proteins, you're not just obtaining nutrition, you're selecting energy, confidence, and the life quality that maintains your independence. If this video provided new optimism for staying strong past 70, please tap that like button. Comment below telling me which protein you'll attempt first, and subscribe so you won't miss health advice that could transform your life. Your engagement helps this information reach more individuals who need it. Thank you for joining me, and here's to maintaining strength regardless of your age.